Hey guys, it's Travis with Trail Standard Off-Road. I made this video for you to show you how easy it is to install the new MMS panels for the 5th Gen 4Runner Center Console. Any questions? I'm always here for you guys. Let me know. Hey everyone, this is Travis with Trail Standard Off-Road. Just want to take a few minutes and show you how to install our new MMS panels on the 5th Gen 4Runner Center Console. Pretty easy install. All you want to do is go ahead and get it lined up kind of along there like that, and then you'll want to press it on there and get it parallel this edge with this line here. You know, you'll want to get it parallel there, and then you'll take a look here and you'll want to get it parallel to a seam right here. There's a seam right here kind of halfway through. You'll want to get it parallel with that across the top. So once you get happy with where it is, you'll want to take a marker and you want to mark exactly where you want to drill your holes. So there you go. Now that your holes are marked, you're going to want to take a 1/4 inch drill bit, about so like that, and you're going to want to drill pilot holes on each one. The only cautions that you want to take are on this back side over here. There are some air ducts inside of here behind it. So you'll want to kind of grab it over here, work your way over, and kind of pull it away as you're drilling. And once you make it through this outer layer, that's as far as you need to go. So we'll go ahead and drill it. And you're just going to do pilot holes. Once it starts to get easy and it'll break through, you kind of want to stop there. You don't need to keep going. There you go. And like I was saying, you want to pull this panel out. Obviously keep your hands away. Keep your hands kind of away from where you're drilling, but you'll want to go ahead and drill these holes back here. Being extra careful not to hit that air duct behind. So that's as far as you need to go. It's just enough to go through that first layer. And you'll switch out your bits and drill the bigger holes. And again, I would grab it here so you can pull this away to drill out these bigger ones, or the ones in the back. And that's it for the drilling. Next thing we're going to be doing is installing these. This is a rubber well nut. So if you see here, it'll expand out quite a bit, kind of behind the scenes, and it expands underneath that panel there, and that's what secures it to the center console there. Okay, so you got all your holes drilled. You're ready to install these well nuts here. So you'll just push them straight into these holes here. They should go in fairly easy if you drilled it with a 3/8 drill bit. So you just push them in there. Alright, now that you got that done, what I like to do is take the first bolt back here and kind of secure the Allen on there beforehand to hold it in place. and you'll just lightly screw it on. That way it's just holding it in place. Try not to pull on it or you will pull out the well nut there. Then you're going to want to get it lined up into this one here. Okay, that one's there. Then you'll see there's a little bit of slide adjustment in them. So you just slide it into place, put in that screw. Now you have the fourth one. Put that one in place, and once you have all four, you'll kind of want to do a final positioning, get it exactly how you want it, and then you'll start tightening them down. Let's see here. So that looks pretty good there. So I'll start with this first one. And you can crank down on them quite a bit. Obviously not too tight, but once it starts to give you a little resistance, maybe give it a quarter to half a turn more than that. And there you have it, it's all installed. You can clean up, put your floor mat back in, and you're good to go. Thanks, guys.